The Paralympic Games have done more to change perceptions about people with a disability and drive social change than any other movement, but much more still needs to be done. More than 1 billion people, nearly 15% of the world's population, have a disability, and this number is increasing all the time. 80% of them live in poverty. Because of society's perception of their disability, they are much less likely to go to school or find employment. The Agitos Foundation was created to fulfill the IPC's strategic goal in terms of development and education. Its mission is to be the leading global organisation developing sport activities for people with a disability, using sport as a tool to change lives and contribute to an inclusive society for all. To fulfill this mission, the Agitos Foundation looks for global and regional partnerships to implement programs of activity in 4 key areas: advocacy and inclusion, awareness and education, knowledge and research, sports development. The IPC and Agitos Foundation have already made great strides.
It has really inspired my life. It has given me a chance to look at life in a different way.
Since 2011, the Agitos Foundation has held training camps in Europe for winter sports and Central America and Africa for summer sports. Hundreds of young athletes and coaches have benefited from these programs, which included workshops to educate them about their human rights under the UN Convention. Participants also learnt about the Paralympic movement and the Paralympic values of courage, determination, inspiration and equality.
We should be treated equally like other people. Yes, it's my biggest wish to see that.
In knowledge and research, the Agitos Foundation has driven the development of sports equipment. The redesign of ice sledge hockey sledges, following a number of leg injuries at previous Paralympic Games, has made for a safer sport. The foundation has also helped to design low-cost sports equipment to help more athletes participate in sport.
The main problem is financial. No one is willing to help us.
In partnership with the International Tennis Federation and International Wheelchair Basketball Federation, low-cost chairs for basketball and tennis have already been introduced to the market. More than 4,000 models are now in use in over 50 countries, increasing the number of people with a disability practicing in physical activity and sport. A low-cost racing wheelchair has also now been developed.
Soon after my accident, I felt very bored and unhappy. Sport gave me the motivation to go further in my life. I'm much happier and my life is more successful because of sport.
With your help, together, we can achieve our vision to drive change and create a more inclusive society. The Agitos Foundation, developing sport, changing lives.